Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 14th and the chart of the day for today is the GDX. We're going to be taking a look here. Here's the 1 hour time frame. Shorter cycle, as we can see, we ended with 3 in the minor degree, with 4 already completed in a zigzag, or in a, this one is a flat, right? ABC flat, and then now it has started to rally higher again. Shorter cycle structure looks quite impulsive, 5 waves, looking to extend on the upside as long as we continue to stay above that previous low around 74.6. So if we take a look here in the general structure of the impulse move, which is basically a 5 waves move, okay. So here we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we are now basically ended with 4, right? And then now it's in the subdivision of the 5 here, so we are looking to finish 1 of 5, which is this one, and then from there we should be getting a 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to finish 5 in red. So this blue here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the subdivision of the black degree with 1. Okay, and yeah, so we're looking for with 5 to the upside. Now in terms of potential targets, well, you can do it this way. You can measure 1, 2 once it's complete, and then project with 3 equal with 1. That's one way to do it. But if you want to know approximately rough idea what will be the minimum target for with 5, then you can use the external retracement. You can take the 1.236 to 1.618 extension, external retracement as the minimum potential target to finish with 5 in red. Now as you can see, we're actually calling for upside extension within the wave 5, subdivides into another 5 ways. Now another alternate here is since we will finish this one above with 3 already here, above with 3, so that means as an alternate we could have completed like this. We could have completed the entire with 5 in red right there, right? So instead of ending 1 of 5, we could have ended with 5 itself in that potential target zone, which is 80.6 and 82.5. So but it's very strong right now in the rally, and so we don't want to pick the top here, and we're going to be looking for extension higher. Now zooming out, here is the 5 ways up in the minor degree. Now the higher degree count is available, right? The higher degree count is available in the in our member area if you like to see, and you can use the if you are new and you never take the trial before, you can take our trial, only 99 cents. You can use the link in the description of the video. But here we are looking for this rally right now, which is a 5 ways rally, and looking to extend to the upside there to finish the 5 ways. Now once we are finished, then it's not really topping out in a major way. It's basically only ending the cycle here. So we're going to be looking to correct in 3 ways. Maybe can just go back to 74 again like this, and then higher again, because the larger time frame, again, this is not the end of a bullish move, a major bullish move on the highest time frame, but at the least we're looking for the cycle here to complete from July, and then we can get a little bit bigger pullback in some sort of wave 4 here before higher again, right? So this is the minimum target, 80.6, 82, and it can actually extend higher if we are going to be extending higher within wave 5, like what we are proposing here. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys, and I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.